Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today it is time to do the rest of the exhaust on the MX5. Today we're going to do the Decat. Stick around. Okay, before I go do the cat, we're quickly going to do a quick wheel alignment to check that everything's in order, and then we'll get to it. The install is done. We are back in the MX5. Now it's time to give it a rip. See what she sounds like. She sounds good. I've heard it. You of course haven't heard it yet. That's because I want to give you a startup and a few revs so you can check it out. But if you want to hear what she sounded like before, hit the card in the corner. I think it's this corner, that corner. Pick a side. And then you can check out the video of what she sounded like stock, and then with the free flow, and then now with the Decat, let's give it some revs. There it is. That's the sound we've been looking for. Well, I hope you enjoyed this install. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.